Hey guys, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be designing this super cute double heart grapevine. I'm excited. This is the first Southern Owls kit of the 2025 season. So you can grab this kit off my website, thesouthernowls.com. It's going to come with this double heart grapevine, this beautiful 1.5 inch roll of ribbon, and it's going to come with two heart picks. So you can go and grab these off my website, thesouthernowls.com, go to my shop, and then you just scroll down to kits. You can click on kits and grab one of these kits and follow along. I'm also going to show you how you can either just leave this as a simple door hanger or that wreath in the corner. You can add this as your sign, which is going to be really, really cute. So grab your ribbon that comes with the kit. You're also going to get a cable tie and a pipe cleaner, so make sure those are handy. And we're going to start off with our bow, and we're going to do a 6-inch tail, and we're going to come in and we're going to do 5-inch loops. So we're going to measure at the 10 and just bring those together. And we're going to do that quite a few times. So we're going to do another 5-inch loop, and we're going to keep on going. We're going to do 4 5-inch loops, and then we are going to do a 6-inch tail. So cut right off the 6 inches. If you're using a bow maker, these will be all 5 inches that you'll measure, and then you'll have the 6-inch loops right there. So we're going to grab our ribbon again. We're going to measure another 6-inch tail, and we're going to slip it right underneath our thumb. And we're going to shrink our loops now down to the 9, which is going to make 4.5-inch loops. And we're going to come in. And we're going to do 2 of those. And you're going to flip your ribbon to the opposite side and then flip it around your thumb to do that racetrack loop. And then we're going to come in with another 6-inch tail. And just snip that right off. So right where you're holding all of your ribbon, you're going to slide that cable tie right there. Or if it's in your bow maker, you're going to carefully scoop it up off your bow maker and add in your cable tie. You're going to get it almost all the way tight, and then you're going to thread through that pipe cleaner and get it nice and snug. And we're going to clip off that cable tie. And now we're going to lay our bow down and kind of just start fluffing it out. And we're going to fold all of those ribbon tails in half and cut up at an angle. These are just dovetailing all of the ends of your ribbon. Make it really nice and cute. And now we're going to add this beautiful bow right onto our grapevine work form. So you can see there is wire wrapped all around our grapevine, right? So we're going to use that wire and slip that pipe cleaner right underneath it and give it a few good twists. And then we are going to cut off that extra pipe cleaner. And now we are going to fluff out that bow. Make our loops look gorgeous and fabulous. I'm going to make that tail go there, and that one more up. And the great thing, this is wired ribbon, so you can just really manipulate where you want your ribbon to go. Now we have, oh my gosh, that's adorable, this really fun, cute bow on our double hearts. And now we're going to take our, oh my goodness, our really fun glittery picks. And I am going to cut off that long stem, hopefully with these. My other ones are buried. And we're just going to stick this. Actually, we're going to cut them individually. Hold on, let me get my things. Rewind. Let's cut these off because that looks too bulky. So you're going to have 3 cuts. So just nip those right off the stem. And we're going to do that to both pieces. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. I hit the microphone again. Okay, and then we are going to start gluing these all around our bow. I love this pick. This is such a fun pick that I found at Market. I just thought it was so cute and airy and glittery. So I forgot to turn on my glue pot, but we have my glue gun going. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue onto the front and to the back. Ooh, that glue's hot. And I'm going to just move that bow and stick one right on top. And we're going to do the same thing right to the bottom, right underneath that bow. So we're going to add a little bit of glue onto our pick. And then I'm going to lift up that bow and slide that pick right underneath it. And the great thing about this pick is it is wired, so we can kind of manipulate these fun curly cues where we want them so they can kind of poke out. And then it has this fun glittery grass that really adds in another element. So we have 4 more. So I'm going to do 1 here. We're going to do like an X pattern, okay? So we're going to take the next one, add in that glue. We're going to lift it up gently underneath our bow. Be careful, it is hot glue. And I'm just going to kind of manipulate where I want the hearts to go. Pop it up, that's cute. Okay, sorry, I had to pause y'all because I was missing one. Okay, same thing, just come in with some hot glue. And we're going to put it right into that next little slot. And since everything is wired, we can kind of bend and have it just shooting out of our design. Same thing to the next piece. Add in some hot glue. Come up. We're just making that X now. A little bit more glue. To the next one. Come in right underneath. Let that all settle. Now that we kind of messed our bow up a little bit, just going to come in and refluff everything. And while everything is drying, then I'm going to come up and start kind of pulling these, since they are wired, up and out around our bow. So you can see all of the fun hearts and they don't get lost. And with this, pull on it just a little bit. You don't have to be really rough. Ew. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you can leave it like this, which I think is absolutely adorable, and use the hanger that comes with it to hang it on your front door or on your wall. That is so fun. Or you can go and you can watch my previous tutorial that I dropped on Tuesday, and you can learn how to make this base. And now we're going to add in, oh my gosh, it's so cute, this as the sign. And we are using the leftover of this ribbon that comes in the kit. So what I'm going to do is we're going to grab 2 pipe cleaners. And like I said before, they use this wire all along this form. So we're just going to thread our pipe cleaners through that wire, give it a little twist, come in on the other side, and do the same thing. Just find that wire that's already on the form, give it a little twist, and then we're going to thread that down and through our wreath. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so cute. So now you can see how to style this 2 different ways when you buy the kit. You can either just use it for a door hanger for your front door, or you can add it as like an extra glam piece for your wreath, which I'm going to leave mine like this and use it as a sign for my wreath, because I think this is going to be so cute. And I just wanted to show y'all a different way that you can style these really cute grapevines. So you can do it as a door hanger, or you can elevate it, right, and use it as a sign for your wreath. Sorry, this is always the hardest part, is threading through the pipe cleaners through the mesh. And then I'm just finding that wire work form, and we are just attaching it and twisting it right to that work form. If you wanted to, you could add in a little bit more glue to your wreath, so we really make sure that the sign's not going to go anywhere. I'm actually going to pop this off after the tutorial though, because I got to do some content with it. But that is how it looks as a sign. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, I love these little whimsy. It's super cute, super flirty. Well, you can go and you can snag this grapevine kit, double heart kit, off my website. So it comes with the double hearts, these really fun picks, and then this ribbon to make the bow. But then you can see I use the ribbon on the rest of the wreath to kind of just tie it all in together. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube tutorial. Make sure you grab one of my kits and follow along at thesouthernowls.com. And stay tuned, guys, for more kits. They're gonna be dropping. They're gonna definitely be dropping little by little. So make sure that you are signed up to be an official owlet on my website, because that is where you'll be the first ones to know whenever a kit drops. Normally, I let my owlets know about 24 to 48 hours in advance, and then I release them to the general public. So it definitely pays off to be an owlet. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited for Valentine's Day, guys. All right, thank you for being here, and I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye, everyone.